Send configurations. Send watch straps. After completing the download of the app, first of all turn on the Bluetooth of the watch. Go back to the dial screen and slide to the right. Click on the middle panel to bring up the QR code. Open the app. Tap the top right corner after entering the app's device screen. Scan the code. Here. Allow. So we're done with the connection. First, make sure the Bluetooth of the watch is switched on. Then open the watch settings screen. Universal. Call setting. Turn on the bottom switch. Finally, we can double tap to answer call. There is also a Qibla function in the watch. The first option is an alarm clock. Turn it on to be reminded of the time on time. The second option is praise speed. Data in the mobile app and in the watch are synchronized. The third option is the Quran. But here the data is all to be sensed in the app. Open the app's Qibla and click on the Quran at the bottom. Click on Synchronous in the upper right. After successful synchronization, click on each chapter to synchronize it again. Audio downloads are pulled up during the process. Wait for the download to be successful. After successful download, you can see the article data in the watch. The fourth option is pray, again to sync in the app. The app clicks on the pray at the bottom. Then click on synchronous in the upper right-hand corner. You can see the details in your watch when you're done. Also available in GPT AI watches. But again, you need to check that Bluetooth is connected. Go back to GPT AI and clearly say what you want to know. We'll have the answer soon. Data synchronization with app. You can listen to songs on your watch. The first thing to do is to determine the Bluetooth connection status. The phone turned on the music player. The watch controls the music playback by clicking on the first option. The second option is the watch's local music. You need to download the music online first. After the music has been downloaded online, back to app, import iCloud Music. Find the music you just downloaded. Once selected, click on Sync in the top right corner. Just wait until the synchronized download is complete. Once the sync is complete, you can listen to it and watch. The fourth option is to connect a Bluetooth headset. Turn on the Bluetooth device. Click on New Equipment on the watch. Select your own Bluetooth device. The connection is complete. Pictures can also be viewed in the watch. Just upload the image in the app. Find Photo Album in the app. Add photo. There are two options here. Let's try using the first one, here. Just take a picture. Use photo. Confirm. Waiting for upload. Then try selecting from album. Pick a photo at random. Confirm. Now we'll be able to see these two photos in the watch. The recording function is also available in the watch. But again, Bluetooth needs to be connected. This function cannot be used without Bluetooth connection. Once it's connected, it's ready to go. There are two modes here. The first mode is App Recorder. Let's try it.
Hello.
This mode is characterized by the fact that the recording file is viewed in the app. Just find the recording in the app. You can see the recording software just now. The recording file for the second mode is available in the watch.
Hello.
This watch also has a special feature. It can read novels. Again, you need to download the novel online first. I've gone ahead and downloaded a couple of novels, so just click on Add Books. Just select the downloaded novel and upload it. Remember not to disconnect the Bluetooth connection during the upload process, otherwise the upload will fail directly. Finish uploading and you can read the novel properly. You can also receive messages from your mobile phone in your watch. Let's use WeChat as an example here. First open the app and find Message Push. Open all options. Then go to your phone's settings. Find WeChat. Check if all the options in notifications are turned on. Then just be careful to close the window of the incoming app when the watch receives the message. Multiple monitoring modes in the watch. Here is an example of heart rate monitoring. Keep the watch as close to your wrist as possible when monitoring to ensure accurate data. Eventually, the data will be transferred and synchronized to the mobile app. There are also quite a few sports modes in the watch. The data used is also fully synchronized to the mobile app. We can also use the watch for motion sensing game. There are quite a few types to choose from here. Finish loading, and you can start playing. You can also cast the screen to play. If you don't like the dial, long press it, and you can switch between your favorite dials.